All right, guys, let's do practice number 2. You want to do this one together too? Do you? I bet you do. You want to work on this one together. You want Mr. Harmless to help you out with this, don't you? I can tell. I'm not even there, and I can tell. Okay, fine. Let's do it. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of each convex polygon. Oh, come on. You knew how to do this. We had a formula. N minus 2 times 180. But Mr. Harmless, what's n? I don't know what n is. It's the number of sides, guys. It's the number of sides. How many sides does this have? I don't know. It's 11. It says 11 right there. 11 gone. Right. Okay. 11 minus 2 times 180. And just use your calculator. 11 minus 2 is what? Hopefully you don't need your calculator for that. 9 times 180. 1,620 degrees. A 14 gone. How many sides? 14. 14 sides. 14 minus 2 times 180. Hopefully you don't need your calculator for 14 minus 2. It's 12. 12 times 180. 2160. What's really impressive I'm sorry, what's really impressive is those that can do the 12 times 180 in your head. Now that, I'm impressed with that because I cannot do that. 17 sides. 17 minus 2 times 180. 15 times 180. 2,700. All right, so there's the first 3 questions. Not bad, right? Not bad at all. Let's look at the next 3. Measure of an interior angle of a regular polygon is given. Find the number of sides. This is the one that we have to put the n next to this, each angle, right? Equals n minus 2 times 180. So 144 n equals 180 n minus 360 because I distributed the 180. Subtract 180 from both sides. 144 minus 180. Negative 36 n equals negative 360. Divide by negative 36 and n equals 10. There are 10 sides to this one. The second one, 156n equals n minus 2 times 180. Distribute the 180. 156n equals 180n minus 360. Subtract 180 from both sides. 156 minus 180 is a negative 24n equals negative 360. 360 divided by 24. 360 divided by 24. And I know you might be thinking, what's negative 360? Well, it's negative 360 divided by negative 24, which is the same thing as 360 divided by 24. 15. So n equals 15. 15 sides. This one, 160 n equals n minus 2 times 180. Distribute my 180, we get 160n equals 180n minus 360. Subtract 180 from both sides, we get negative 20n equals negative 360. Divide by negative 20, and we get n equals, I think that's 180, or 18, I'm sorry, not 180, 18. Double check, 360 divided by 20, yeah, 18. All right, so there's the next 3 questions worked out. Hopefully you were following along. You got those jotted down. I know you're probably telling the teacher right now, pause the video. It's in Google Classroom. You can pause it yourself. I think we only have 2 of these this time compared to how many we had last time. Find the measure of each interior angle. Remember, there's 4 sides here. 4 minus 2 times 180 would be 2 times 180. Oops. which is 360. So the sum of these four angles is 360. So I'm going to add those up. 2x plus 15 plus 3x minus 20 plus x plus 15 plus x equals 360. Now I want to combine my terms that are alike. I've got a 2x and a 3x makes 5x, plus another one makes 6 and 7x. And the positive 15, another positive 15, that makes 30. The negative 20 drops us down to 10. Notice how I did that. I didn't do them in order. I did it in a way that would make sense for my brain to add it up without using a calculator. You could have just done 15 minus 20 and then done plus 15. You would have gotten the same thing. All right, so 7x plus 0, we're going to subtract 10 from both sides, and we get 7x equals 350. Divide both sides by 7, we get x equals 50. So now we need to find the measure of each interior angle. Measurement of angle J, measurement of angle K, measurement of angle M, and measurement of angle N. M is the easy one because it's just the x, so it's 50. N is just 50 plus 15, so it'll be 65. J is 50 times 2, which is 100, plus the 15 would be 115. Then K, 50 times 3 would be 150, minus 20 would be 130. And there's those four angles. This is also a four-sided object, so we know it's also going to add up to 360. So I'm going to start by just writing all that out. 6x minus 4 plus 2x plus 8 plus 6x minus 4 plus 2x plus 8 equals 360. Let's combine our like terms. 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 2, 16. So 16x. That hurt my brain. Let's see here. I'm going to do we got the plus 8, and the plus 8 makes 16. Minus 4 would go back down to 12. Minus another 4 would be 8. So plus 8. You also could have done that. The minus 4, and the plus 8, those would have canceled each other out. Minus 8 plus 8, leaving me with just the plus 8. If you're not for sure what I did just there, just do negative 4 plus 8 minus 4 plus 8, and you'll get that. So subtract 8 from both sides, and we get 16x equals, what is that going to be, 352? And 352 divided by 16, I hope that comes out evenly. Oh, good, 22. All right, so for each of these angles, measure angle R, measurement of angle S, measurement of angle T, and measurement of angle U. For each of these, we're going to plug that 22 in. So 26 times 22, I don't want to do that. 6 times 22, and then minus 4, not plus, minus 4, 128. So angle R is 128 degrees, which means angle T is the same, because it's the same way of figuring that out. Then 22 times 2 is 44. 44 plus 8, 32 maybe? 2 times 22 plus 8, 52. Oh, wow, I did that wrong. 52. There we go. All right, so there we go. There's 7 and 8. Got these, and this one, Find the measures of an exterior angle and an interior angle given the number of sides of each regular polygon. So we have this many sides. We want the measure of an exterior angle and an interior angle. Okay, so there's a couple different ways that we could do this. One way, I can start with the exterior angle first. Okay, so if I know that the sum is 360 for the exterior angles, I could do 360 divided by 16 to give the number of sides, right? Find the measure of each exterior and interior. I'm given the number. Oh, no, wait, I'm given the number of sides. I'm sorry. Still the same. Okay, so 360 divided by 16 sides means that the exterior angle is going to be 360 divided by 16. Sorry, I said that wrong the first time. 360 divided by 16 is 22.5. Okay, so 16 sides, each exterior angle is 22.5. Now, there's a nice little shortcut. Once you have the exterior angle, to find the interior angle, we just do 180 minus that number, and that gives us the interior angle. So 180 minus the 22.5 is 157.5. So the exterior, the interior would be 157.5. Now, I'm going to quickly with this one show you why that's true. Okay, so imagine, if you will, the exterior angle of this polygon. Okay, it's got 16 sides. I'm not going to try to draw that, but we know that there's exterior angles, right? And one of them is 22.5. Well, think about it. If the exterior is 22.5 and it's right next to an interior one, the interior and the exterior are making a straight line together. So that's why I can do 180 minus that to find the interior. That will always work. But for your sake, when it says to do this, and this is the number of sides, you can find each one by just doing 360 divided by 24. I'll give you one of the exterior. 15. And so the interior would be 180 minus 15 is 165. Exterior, interior. Next one, 360 divided by 30 is 12. So exterior is 12. Interior would be 180 minus 12, 168. Whoa. Okay, 360 divided by 14. Ooh, that did not come out well. Did I type that in right? 360 divided by 14. Ooh, that's ugly. Oh, round to the nearest tenth if necessary. Okay. 25.7 degrees. Exterior, interior, so 180 minus 25.7, 154.3. Next one, 360 divided by 22. I'll round it off again, 16.4. The exterior, interior 180 minus 16.4, 163.6. And the last one, 360 divided by 40, I think it's 90, or it's 9. 360 divided by 40 is 9, so the exterior 9 degrees, interior would then be 171 degrees. Interior. All right, there we go. So that is that homework assignment. I'm not going to make you do the last one, but I am going to tell you that there is a quiz. There's a quiz. Take that quiz. Quiz in Google Classroom. All right. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.